In today's video I wanna do a quick review of another get-paid-to site called Social IC. If you want to know what this site is about, how it works and how you get paid, make sure to watch this video till the end. What's up you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This website allows you to earn rewards and gifts by basically completing surveys and other simple activities. So it's kinda similar to other popular get-paid-to sites, but I thought I'd share with you guys as another opportunity to make some extra pocket money on the side. After completing 100 surveys on this site you will earn 100 points as a bonus reward, which is equivalent to $1. As you can see here, I've completed 100 surveys and I did get the $1 bonus immediately after completing the surveys. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos where I will teach you how to make some extra money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. When you give your opinions on products and services as an IC panel member, you earn IC points which you can redeem for various IC rewards including cash through PayPal, popular gift cards, and virtual Visa prepaid cards. You can join this site by clicking the link in the description box below, and these link will direct you straight to their landing page where you can click the sign up button. This process takes about 1 minute of your precious time. So after clicking the sign up button, it's going to take you to a very simple form as can see here, where you can sign up using your existing Facebook account or this form here, where you'll be asked to fill in your name, email, password, etc. and once you do these you will click the sign up button. So now I will show you what the dashboard looks like. Here where this is the dashboard, as you can see it's very easy to navigate, has a friendly user interface, like it's very easy to use, and you can see my balance there on top. I'm having 1340 points which is equivalent to $13. Note that I'm not showing you my balance to brag or anything, I'm showing you this as proof that I use this site myself. With all that being said, how does IC work? With Social IC, you'll complete surveys that are run by market researchers. Survey frequency may vary, and you don't have to answer every survey you receive. In exchange, you'll receive payments from Social IC through PayPal, or you can choose other that are available on the site. After completing the registration process, you will only need to wait for your first survey. Every time a survey is sent, you will get a notification. The availability of surveys will mainly depend on your activity history and location. Since the surveys are supplied randomly, it is difficult to determine when you will get the next survey. However, each time you get a survey, you should answer as honestly as possible. Social IC uses various techniques to catch lying participants. If you are caught cheating, your account can be suspended from receiving the surveys ever again. How much do they pay per survey? You will receive between 45 points and 100 points per survey completed. The amount can differ and is dependent on the number of questions in the survey and the amount of time it takes to answer the survey. Answering questions in a certain way is not required to receive a payment and is in fact discouraged. The more honestly you answer questions, the more valuable your opinion is, and therefore, you may receive more surveys. Ways to make money with Social IC. Unlike other survey sites, which will give you points for downloading apps, watching videos, shopping, playing games, and other activities, Ipsos IC focuses solely on surveys. You'll get invites via email, or you can look in the dashboard for surveys that you qualify for. With one of the largest inventory of surveys available amongst all other survey sites, the earning potential is endless. Your responses to surveys are anonymous and confidential. They are used to help researchers better market their products and understand user habits. For completing each one of them successfully, you can earn from 45 points to over 90 points. Note that consistency is key when doing surveys. Your responses should be the same whether it's at the start or end of a survey. Speeding through survey, missing attention check questions, or inconsistency with your responses will lead to disqualification. How you get paid. As with many other websites of this kind, IC uses a point system for their rewards. You can then convert the points you've earned to cash through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. In some countries, PayPal is not available, but there will be other options you can choose from. You can cash out iSave points once you get to 500, which is much lower than other sites, and they don't expire as long as your account is active. You don't answer any surveys for 45 days. Who can join? You can join this site if you're 18 years or older, and it's available in a lot of countries. I think it's in around 100 countries. That usually means it's available worldwide, which means anyone from anywhere can join this site and start making money right away. Conclusion: survey sites are one of many ways to earn extra cash from home. No survey site will make you rich. However, if you are looking for opportunities to make a few bucks in your free time, taking surveys on iSay can be one of them. Remember, you can use the link in the description below to join this website. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any comments, questions, or experience with this website, please share in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.